Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 86 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth, live from the Carnival Sunrise, and we are in the Limelight Lounge, obviously closed. So John Heald posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. We answer the questions, and we read the questions. We don't answer the questions, he answers the questions, we read the questions, and we put them all here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about the crew and how do they find these great people? Why are handicap rooms more expensive? Protein powder? What's free after the second entree in the MDR? And basketball courts. Who brings the balls? All right, question one. This cruiser has met so many great staff on the Carnival Cruise Lines over the years, and they were wondering, how do they find these great people? Are they a referral? Do they actually go to the country to find these people? John said in the old days, Carnival would actually go to the countries when they just had a few ships. But now with almost 40,000 crew members, on ships every week, it's mostly agencies that they use across the world to find these people. I don't know what agencies they're using, but I would like to know for pretty much any place so I can say, hey, look, your cruise sucks. Go to this agency. They're going to get you good people. Anyway, this person wanted to know, why are handicap rooms more expensive than regular rooms? It seems like some kind of discrimination that they have to pay more because they are disabled. John said, well, just like some hotels, they are a little more expensive, but not much. Perhaps because it's the extra space. He said it's definitely not discrimination. But yeah, it's not something they do intentionally, but it basically follows the hotel industry. Certain rooms are more expensive. If you get a larger room, which they are, they take up more space. It's a business, they have to get more money. And there's not as many. Same with the hotels as on a cruise. There's not that many handicapped accessible rooms. So, not discrimination. This cruiser wants to bring protein powder for their daily protein shakes. They wanted to know if they can bring it in a Ziploc bag instead of bringing it in the big full container that they come in. John said, yes, that is absolutely fine. He appreciated them asking and asked that they put this in their carry-on bag, just in case it's thought of, well, something else. Cocaine. So this person likes the protein powders, doesn't want to bring the big old jug they come in, so you don't have to. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right. This cruiser said they know there is a fee after the second entree in the MDR, but was wondering, what about breakfast or brunch? Is there also a fee after the second entree? John said there is a fee, $5 for the third entree. So yes, it's only $5, and it only applies to dinner time as well. So there you go, quick and easy. This cruiser wanted to know, for the ships that have the basketball courts, do they provide the ball or can the child bring their own? Interesting question. I don't play basketball, but I see a lot of people doing it. I always thought the cruise lines did it, but John said, yeah, but of course they do. But of course, if you have a specific basketball you want to bring, you can bring that as well. That's probably going to take up a lot of room in your luggage though, unless you want to blow it up on board. Anyway. That's been episode 86 from the Sunrise. Thanks for watching. Please take care.